Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as we dive into the camera Sony Zv-1F features or its popularity among vloggers. The Sony Zv-1 is a compact camera designed for vloggers and content creator, and this is announced last October 13 of 2022. So it's almost 2 years now guys. So yan, again, I will not make a long video regarding this Zv-1 because we have already unboxing on this camera and we test also the camera. But again, our topic for today, this almost 2 years camera is still good in 2024. So let's find out guys. But before anything else guys, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that I will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So yan guys, again, our topic for today is the Sony Zv-1F is still worth to buy in 2024. So again, before I gonna answer that question, let's check the main features of this camera. So again, this is 20 megapixel BSI CMOS sensor with the ISO range of 125 to 12,800 and expand to 80. So yan. The lens, it's fixed. Yeah. So if you compare this to the Sony Zv-1, Sony Zv-1 Mark II, which is a zoom lens like 1850, this is a fixed lens, a wide lens but fixed. If 20mm f2 for me is for street photography, this is a good, and also for vloggers because they designed this camera for vloggers and content creators. So again, you have a 3-inch fully articulated screen. And you have 16 frames, continuous shooting, but I believe 16 frames is electronic. Yeah. And you can record up to 4K 30 frames and Full HD to 120 frames. We have already wireless, for sure wireless and Bluetooth connection. Mechanical shutter is 1/2000, but electronics is 32,000. Yeah, 32,000 electronic shutter. So, ayan. Try and again, and it is worth in 2023. I believe it's still worth this camera in 2024 because first the price compare for the Sony Zv-1F, Sony Zv-1 Mark II, it's around how much here? 199, 200 something. It's 200, but this is more cheaper than the Sony Zv-1 Mark II. So it's more than enough if you use for vlogging. See, so. And guys, I think I'm gonna try again and I'm gonna show you the sample video on this Sony Zv-1 while vlogging. So guys, this is the camera Sony Zv-1F and I'm shooting 4K 30p without any external microphone. So this is the built-in microphone of the camera. So totally just the camera and of course the memory card. But again, without any accessories, but with the tripod, of course. It's also accessories. So, but again, just a camera without any additional accessories for mics, like for mics or wireless mics. This is the built-in microphone of the Sony Zv-1F. And again, guys, this is for me, the Sony Zv-1F is still a good camera for Sony Zv-1F for 2024 because first the price is way more cheaper compared for the Zv-1F, Zv-1 Mark II and Mark I. So again, it's a fixed lens, so it's very good to take this camera on street. Yeah, and it's because it's fixed 20mm and f2, so in low light, so it's also a good camera. So let's try to use in a low light, guys, without any external lights or LED lights. So let's go outside and test the low light of this camera. So let's go. So guys, this is the camera Sony Zv-1F. We are outside the mall and it's around 8:21 p.m. here in Kuwait. So this is the quality of the Sony Zv-1 in low light and without any microphone or any external microphone. So I'm using the built-in microphone of the camera. So again, this is the quality of the camera with the ISO 500 f2 for the aperture and 1:25 shutter. I'm using 1:25 because I have a tripod. So I'm gonna show you guys. This is the camera and the tripod without any external microphone. So again, this is the quality of the camera Sony Zv-1F in 2024. So I believe this is still a best camera to buy, or it's a worth to buy in 2024. So guys, I think that's it for today's vlog. And if you want to check the price and availability of the Sony Zv-1F, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. So ayan, also all the Sony camera is also in our website. Again, www.abworld.com. Again guys, for the price, and you have already 4K, the lens is, it's wide enough to take a vlog, 20mm f2. So what else you need for this camera for vlogging? It's more than enough, 4K, 30 frames. So yan guys, and the price is way more cheaper compared for the Sony Zv-1 Mark II. So yan guys, I think that's it for today. Thank you and mabuhay.